Welcome to another episode of Gardener Gone Wild. I've just got back from the community garden and I'm doing a bit of cleaning up and making everyone's enclosures all nice and spiffy and clean. So I've got to do a few things around here, and yeah, it's an absolutely horrible day. It's cold, windy, and it's southerlies. It's been drizzling on and off earlier on, and I just hope it warms up soon for these little monsters who I've had to do the hottie a lot of times, and I'm going to have to do the hottie again. So look how big these little monsters are getting. Hello, little monsters. Who's our biggies? Who's our biggies? Yummy. Hey. What you doing, monkeys? Come here. Hello, what's up? go. Hey guys. Well, as you can see, they love their food. They're little monsters. Go and check out where the other monsters are. And here are the other monsters. And their favourite spot, the deck. And of course we have someone eating over there. Little Miss Minnie. Big stretch Minnie. Minnie's one of the naughtiest. She is so funny. Always the last one to bed because she doesn't want to miss out on anything. And my poor deck. Hey monsters. They're going. They're just growing so much. So fast. And just so gorgeous. So they're not going to be doing much for a while. Just enjoying, well, I don't know, enjoying the wind. It's not very nice. Hey, keep huddled up nice and warm and enjoy pooing on my deck. Oh, the amount of poo. My life revolves around poo and feeding this lot. And cleaning out more poo. Hey guys, so that's it until next time. So hope you enjoyed this little clip of my little monsters, my darling little monsters. So that's all for now. And behave. So tune in next time for more gardening, ducky and bee goodness. So until next time, stay wild about gardening, stay wild about bees, stay wild about ducks, stay wild about life, and go vegan, because animals are your friends and bees are your friends too. So why exploit them and take their honey? Well, not bumblebees, but you know, honeybees. So they make their honey for them to eat over winter, instead of all these beekeepers giving them sugar syrup and seaweed extract and all sorts of stuff for overwintering. Totally not your bees' natural foods. They want their honey because that's why they make it, to feed the hive, not to feed humans. So don't eat honey and don't eat animals, because animals are your friends, and bees and bumblebees and lots of other creatures are your friends too, because they're here to pollinate your plants so that you can eat lots of plants. So bye for now.